Good afternoon, and we have returned after Easter to present a children book, and I'm taking you into the sea, deep down into the ocean on a journey that will take us from the surface to the bottom of the ocean. Off we go. Here is the book. We are presenting Down in the Blue. It's a book by Nomos Edizioni. It's 80 pages. It's a vertical book. The format is 220 by 290. As I said, is vertical and is hardback and is an informative title for children to discover the wonder of the ocean. And now I'm taking you to see the book. So we start with some explanation and the differentiation of the different parts of the ocean. And as you start from the surface of the ocean, where the water is crystal clear, and you discover the animals that populate the surface of the sea or of the ocean, and you have information on what sort of creature live there. And on the left-hand side, as you can see, there are numbers, and it tells you how deep you are into the sea. As you go down and you discover more and more bizarre creature, different animals, some amazing information that is always fascinating to know, the color of the water also changes. As you go down, it gets darker and darker. So you continue your journey, and it's like you take your children into a voyage into the deep sea, and some more unfamiliar creatures, animals, and live and populate the ocean. Some have extremely extraordinary sizes and characteristic. They survive very high pressures, and they have they never see the light. They are fluorescents, and as you can see, look at it here. You are very deep down, and you have some almost monster creatures, scary, the giant octopus. Some of these creatures have only been seen by very few humans that have dared going down, or some dead animals like the giant squid that die and surface thanks to the gases that allow him to come close to the surface. Otherwise, we would never know and we would never see. So this is a book that is almost finished. Nomos Edizioni has just gone to press with this title. Is as I said, 80 pages, vertical, is already sold in Korean and German language. And it's probably going to be the first of a series. I cannot reveal more. The book has tremendous response by our publishers, and we have the English translation for the book and all the information you need. If you need anything else, just let us know. We will be happy to take you by hand into the sea and take you on this amazing discovery for the young and the not so young that are fascinated about the ocean and the sea, and they want to find out more. Thank you very much for watching. It's Nomos Edizioni, and this is our Wednesday children presentation at Books Everywhere. And that is the first video after we turn 1. And because we are children also at Books Everywhere, and we will be forever young anyway. Have a lovely day to everybody.